Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can turn off dark mode on Instagram. So if this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. So without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the Play Store and write here Instagram. Your Instagram should be updated. So my Instagram is updated. I will open it. And here you will see profile icon and click on it. After that, you will see three line on top right. Click on it. And then you will see setting option. Click on it. After that, click on dark mode and click on off. In this way, you can turn off dark mode on Instagram. If this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.